Hello everyone, welcome to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to delete imo account. So for that, open the imo application on your mobile device. Tap open the app and then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. Tap that, and from there you need to tap on settings. Tap that. On the setting piece, you need to tap on account and security. Tap on it. Here on this page, you will need to tap on delete imo account on the very bottom. Tap that, which will begin the deleting process of the account. After deleting your account, the following data will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Here are the information before you delete your account. Go through the information and then only tap on apply to delete. Choose a reason for why you choose to delete the imo account. Tap a reason and then tap on continue to delete. For the deletion process, you type in your phone number for the very last time and then tap on next on the top right. You need to go through the notice over here and then within the seconds you will be able to click on agree and delete. Once the agree and delete is clickable, you tap that. Are you sure you want to apply to delete your account? Tap on delete. With that, the imo account deletion process is completed. Your account has been deleted. Hope this video was useful on how to delete the imo account. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.